Good morning everybody. I'm going to try and do literacy slightly differently today. It's Monday the 25th of January and this is our third lesson all about Quest. So this is where we left you last week. We had seen the start of the new book. We saw the girl and boy again, still together on their bike, and without warning the giant door opened and a strange man looking a bit like a king gave them a scroll. And then disappeared and was captured by the guards again. This is where I left you, the boy and girl crouching behind, having been spotted by the potentially evil ruler of the castle that we saw in the first book. On this slide, I want you to have a think about what sort of verbs you can see in action in this image. Remember, verbs are doing, thinking or feeling words. So have a little look at the image and have a think to yourself, what can you see happening? For example, the boy is crouching, crouching's a verb, behind the rock. I'm going to give you a minute and just have a little think of all the verbs you can see. So you might have spotted things like the flames were burning, the evil king was pointing, the bird is spreading its wings, the waterfall is tumbling down, the clouds are floating by, the girl is peering round the corner. All of these are great examples of verbs. Sometimes to make our work even more exciting, we start the sentence with a verb. So for example, you could say, snatching her pencil, the girl turned to talk to the boy. Or drawing quickly, she made a scuba tank. Or jumping into the water, they swam down to the depths. Can you think of a sentence that starts with a verb? Pause the video while you're having a think about it. Sometimes we use more than just one verb to start the sentence. This makes your writing even more interesting than before, and we call these adverbial openers. They usually tell us how something's happening, who is it happening to, where or when something is happening. We're going to have a look at the next image now and see if we can think of some adverbial openers. The examples in the top right of your screen are all really good examples of an adverbial opener. Can you think of a sentence in your head or tell someone who might be near you the whole sentence? Use one of my openers as an example. Here's one of mine to get you started. Holding on tightly, the children swam behind the giant purple squid. Or, in total amazement, they could see a world at the bottom of the ocean. I need you now to go to your book, your paper, or whatever you're typing on and put in today's date and the I can first. So it's Monday, the 25th of January, 2021, and I can use adverbial openers in my writing. Please remember to underline them. Your job now is to write some sentences describing what is happening in this image. I've got 7 adverbial openers here to give you some inspiration. You might want to think of some of your own, and that's absolutely fine. Write your sentences, put in lots of great language choice, use these starter sentences to make your writing even better, and once you're done, upload your work so we can see it. Thank you. Here's a teaser for what's actually going to happen tomorrow in the story. I'll leave you with this one. See you tomorrow. Bye.